guys, it's Tammy, and I thought that I would do a walkthrough of my personal planner. I know that I didn't do this all year, but I did do it for some of the year, and for that I thought you might like to see my weekly layouts, just because I haven't looked at them for a long time either, and it's kind of nice. And I stopped using this, I don't even know when. I was going to say halfway through, but it looks like it even was, I went further than halfway. So let's just get started. So this is the new year. I have my coffee, sorry. Very cute. And I did a monthly. In my monthlies, I put my YouTube video information in. So that's what all of that is. And then I did an Audrey Hepburn one. That's really cute too. And January week, or January 15th through 21st. Really cute. Kind of a, just says keep warm, a winter theme for this week too. Maybe it's cold outside. And then we get into February. There's the monthly. And then we did a deer theme. Very cute. And Mary Poppins. The new Mary Poppins is coming out, or maybe it is already out. And that's the week of Valentine's. Then, oh, I think I missed one. Tinkerbell. Can't miss Tinkerbell. I love the pink and the green, or the pink and the green, the purple and the green. And then March. Cute St. Patrick's Day themed. And then this one is really neat with the whales. And I love these stickers, the way they feel. They're awesome. And then this was my birthday week. And then pink and gold. Then I missed that week. And then this week is Easter, I think, or at least I have, yes, it is Easter. I'm gonna say I have Easter themed stickers. It's fun doing this, but I didn't really ever look at these after I did them. So it was kind of a waste. And then this was Taz's birthday week, so I did a cute Pitbull birthdays. Oh, that's cute too, with the little fox. Do more of what makes you happy. And April showers. And some more springtime stickers. And then there's May for Mother's Day. And this is for, this looks like planting. Maybe it's Mother's Day too. I don't even know. Bloom where you were planted. No, this is Mother's Day. Mother's love is like no other. And just cute spring stickers. Oh, and then here are these cute little animals. I love them. Graduation for my son. He graduated high school. And here's the June, kind of a candy theme. And cute little owls. Owls. Well, there are owls. Critters is what I should have said, though. And hedgehogs. And I did a cute underwater mermaid theme. And I was trying to use some stickers and just kind of be creative in my planner now and not use a kit. And then here's July. And then 4th of July. Kitty cats. And other cats. I like my critters. And farm animals. And then we get into August, which is back to school. And ladybugs. And this was kind of a hodgepodgey week. And then camping. Super cute. That makes me smile. Then I skip 2 weeks. And then September is just some floweries. Oh, and then that's where I stopped. But I do have my monthlies. And so what I'm going to do for 2019 is, instead of decorating 2 planners, I'm going to put what I usually put in this planner into my regular planner, and I'm just going to use 1 planner. So that is my plan. How many times could I say plan in one sentence? For 2019. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope that you have a wonderful year.